Hey everyone, James here and welcome to Shard TCG. Today we're doing another Talk TCG, and as you know with Talk TCGs it's all about imparting knowledge and trying to help people with tips and tricks and things like that. But today it's not so much about the talking and more to do with giving you something. I am just handing you something. Instead of teaching a man to fish, I'm just going to give you the fish today. So what do I have for you today? It is 42 symbols, if I've counted them correctly. I've been working on these symbols and the idea was to just give them out for free. Now you can use these symbols to either create your own TCG and just put symbols straight on, because I know as a creator myself that when it comes to starting your very first TCG that you can be quite daunting because you have so many assets that you need to create. So this small library of symbols might just be a helpful step just to give you that boost to go, yes, I can do this, let's get started. I mean, of course, if you're into making board games and things like that, you can use them in board games. Or if you're actually capable of making your own video game, you can use these symbols in video games or whatever you like. They're free. They're in the download link below. If you'd like to use them, check them out. I'm going to put some up on the screen now. We have things covered like elements. We have creature types like beast and dragon and insect and spiders and undead like skull symbols, things like that. We've got just plain shapes, you know, we've got shapes, we've got potions, we've got magic symbols, we've got shields and swords and arrows, and I've just threw a load of stuff together and just put them in one file for people to download. You have the PNGs, you have the SVGs, check it out. Like I said before, it's in the description below. There's no ad flyer or anything like that. I get nothing from this, but all I want to say is I've been out of making videos for a while and delivering that content. So maybe I'm feeling a little guilty. I want to give a little bit extra today. You know, so instead of imparting knowledge on this Talk TCG, I'm just going to give you actual content. So I hope that is useful for you. Check them out. They might inspire you. They might encourage you. They might make you think to create your own symbols. Do a video like this. Release your own. You know, maybe we'll get a network going where everybody's just sharing with each other, and then you've got this huge amalgamation. You know, when people want to create community TCGs, this could be my contribution to a community TCG in the future. I'll just throw them out there. And I'd just like to add that it would be nice to get some credit thrown my way if you do use the symbols. It is not necessary, but it would just be appreciated. And if you do throw credit my way for using any of the symbols, then thank you very much. I'm thanking you right now. You are a good person and I appreciate you. So I think that is it for this video today. I would like to add more symbols to the same download link, so be sure to come back to this video in a month or two and I'll like to add some more. If you've got any suggestions for more symbols that you would like, then please add them in the description below. The advantage of me doing all these symbols is they're the same format, they're the same size, they're the same artistic consistency. So when other people are creating TCGs and they're just wanting to grab symbols to use as placeholders, at least mine have consistent sizes so you can get them from like a mini database in that way. That's what I'm kind of thinking for it. I would love in the future that it was something like 100 symbols or, you know, even 1,000 symbols, but God, I don't even know where you'd need 1,000 symbols for. So don't forget to just bombard me with suggestions and I'll just add to this portfolio over time. So come back and check out the download link from time to time, and hopefully there are a few more little nuggets that you can appreciate and use in your own TCG, board game, video game, or any other creative project, whatever you're doing, you know. So thank you very much. I do appreciate all the likes and subscribes when I do these videos. I've been getting so many when we haven't been active, and that just means so much more to me that people are still paying attention to the channel when things have been very flat. But I'm back now. I've done this video. I've got the bug. I'm going to do a few more. It's going to be exciting. I hope to see you again in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.